Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and today we are at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites here in Oakhurst, California. Super cool little town. It's about 17 minutes from the southern entrance to Yosemite, so it's a great location for families if you're wanting to do a getaway and not stay in the park. This is just a fun little town, and this is a neat, very clean, new hotel. Actually got everything you need for your family stay: coffee bar, refrigerator, microwave, and just really nicely laid out rooms. Again, it's a newer hotel, so that's always exciting. And also where it's located in the town of Oakhurst is really nice because there's so much for families to do right within walking distance. Lots of nice restaurants and whatnot. And again, this hotel is just laid out so nicely with lots of space, everything you'll need for the family. And then you can head out on your different adventures. There's hiking, there's Bass Lake, of course there's Yosemite, so much to do, and you can come back to the hotel as home base. Got a nice swimming pool here, and it's just a really great option, I think, for families if you want to get to the park and kind of have adventures around the area. I'll give you a peek here at the bathroom. Again, really nice for families because it's nice and large and roomy. We found this hotel to be really clean. As you can see, lots of space. And I wanted to mention too that we love Holiday Inn Express products. They're so good. They kind of have an aromatherapy touch to them, but whatnot. Just really nice sized bathroom, great staff at this hotel. They have a nice gym, and just a lot of things that we really liked about this one. So here's a peek at the room. This is obviously a 2-queen bedroom, but the other thing I wanted to mention about this property is the breakfast. It is really, really well done. They have lots of great options. We loved it before we would start our day heading out on an adventure, so I wanted to share that. Again, this is the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Oakhurst, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.